Smart English with Mr. Hendra. Okay, the student today learn about how to start speaking English. Okay, they are studying about alphabet and then pronounce a words, pronounce word by word, and then practice in the front of the class to spell their name, and then presentation about their knowledge of alphabet. Okay. Seperti apa mereka? Check it out. It's time.
Fungsi bahasa Inggris, alat komunikasi antara satu orang dengan orang lainnya, antara satu negara ke negara lainnya, sedunia.
Tepuk tangan dong. It's time.
Well, there are 26 letters of alphabet. Alphabet divided by 2. 5 vocal and 21 consonant. That's all. Thank you.
It's time. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Leah.
Okay, nice to meet you. Leah, spell your name, please.
Yes, Leah. L-I-A.
Okay.
Leah. N-U-R-M-A. L-I-A.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's time. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name, dear?
My full name is Siti Aisyah. My nickname is Aisyah.
Okay. Please spell your name.
Siti, S-I-T-I, Aisyah, S-I-A-I-S-Y-A-H.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.